So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be talking about the new app I made, which is UIWars. So I've been wanting to compete in designing applications. So I had an idea of why not develop a UI focused competition website where you could upload your Figma designs and you compete with other designers, and yeah, based on like a scenario or prompt you're given. So that is what I've just done. So it is called UIWars, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we have like the solo mode and you have the multiplayer mode, and what you do is it's basically you just so what happens is first you generate a random username, then you enter the arena, and then you can select solo or multiplayer. So the solo mode is if you just want to do it by yourself, and obviously you want to like practice. So for example, here it says for example, can generate new ones, and then we have like others. We have different levels. So this level is level 4, and it is about designing an accessibility navigation tool for visually impaired. It's designing a complex filtering sidebar. So how would you do that? And you're given also design kits. So you're given like the font family to use, you're given the color tokens, you're given border radius and those things so that you can implement them. And you share them on, like, once you've started. For example, if I press start, the counter will start. So depending on the level, you'll be given like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, those type of things. So for example, this one is 7 minutes. And then once you're done, you can submit your Figma design, and then you submit this. And then once you submit, you can continue with others. And basically, this design will be stored on your profile. So later on, you'll be building multiple layers of designs that you can even share with recruiters and do more. So currently that part is not finished, so I can't show that, but like you can continue with other challenges. For example, you can design, so you just finish this and you can see new round, and you can you can refresh the prompt and it will show you this. So this is basically the solo player. And if you go back and go to the multiplayer, this is what I mostly focused on. So the multiplayer is basically you could select, you can create your own room, like where you want to play with your friends, or you can join a room by entering the code, or you can just have in the open lounge, right, where there might be some players and you just join, and once you just join, you have other players as well. For example, we have these players, and to be waiting for the host to start them. So basically it's more like multiplayer, and then once you finish, you vote. So each person will vote except themselves for which design is the best and which design fit the constraint better. And then you continue and you build up, and you also get tokens, and you also get badges, and you'll be building your portfolio as well. So this is something fun. It's like a gamified UI UX design thing, which I thought of making. So yeah, it has no login, it has no payment, it is free, so you can just join and start using it. And yeah, so this is the link. So this is hosting it on Vercel, so you can go there and check it out, and I hope you like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it.